Welcome everyone. A common statement that arises in many households and even many trainers in gyms say is that you should not drink cold water while exercising because your body's temperature rises when you are exercising, and drinking cold water may lead to many health problems like fever. So today we will discuss what's better while working out. Hot water or cold water? What I personally consume when I work out, and should you consume cold water while working out?
Didn't even get to bronze.
In 2010, a research was conducted where 7 males completed cold and thermoneutral trials in randomized order. Participants cycled for 90 minutes followed by 15 minutes performance test at a temperature of 28 degrees Celsius and 70% relative humidity. The results shown better performance when consuming cold water, that is water at 4 degrees Celsius in the test, as compared to consuming water at 37 degrees Celsius. Not only that, there are several researches showing benefits of consuming cold water while working out, like reduced core temperature. Consuming cold water will instantly lower your core temperature as compared to water at room temperature, which will ultimately help in better rehydration. Point number 2, better performance. Cold water will instantly lower your core temperature, and anyone with a lower core temperature will be able to work out much more effectively and for a longer duration. Point number 3, better palatability. Cold water tastes better as compared to normal water while exercising, as a result of which you are more likely to consume more amount of cold water as compared to normal water when working out. But there are also many statements and researches which claim that cold water is really effective when you are working in a hot environment. But when you are working in a normal environment like room temperature or in an air conditioned environment, then it does not make much of a difference whether you consume cold water or normal water. So the ultimate decision lies upon you. I always consume cold water whether I am working out in a hot environment or at room temperature or in a gym with AC is turned on. I always prefer cold water, and it completely suits me and my body, but it may be controversial when it comes to you. If you are having problems like cold, sore throat or fever after consuming cold water, then that means your body is not capable of handling cold water. It's your body's problem, your immune system's problem. It's not the temperature of the liquid. And if that's the case, then it's best to switch to normal water. But at the end, keep experimenting because no one knows your body better than you. That's all for today's video, and if you found it helpful, be sure to share the video and subscribe to the channel. And to watch my videos in Hindi, be sure to subscribe to my other channel, the link to which will be right in the description box below. Thank you and see you next time.